Have you guys ever wondered how K-pop idols have such even skin tone and perfect skin everywhere? It's because they're actually more serious about their body care than their faces. If you look closely, their bodies are always smooth and glowing. Not just their faces, but also their neck, elbows, and knees. Literally everything. So I started doing body care the same way. I have been testing this for a long time. And since I'm finally done gatekeeping and 12/12 is coming, all deserve to look expensive without even trying. Just give this 5 seconds and this will show you the most natural brightening effect. This is very lightweight, water-light. It brightens even the dark spots. At may broad spectrum protection pa. And this is also waterproof, sweat-proof, at hindi siya sticky talaga. Kaya sobrang perfect sa weather natin. Like seriously, nagliliwanag na talaga ako. I love the formula so much, naglalighten yung scars ko, and it gives me the K-pop idol pero Filipina skin. It's like a tone-up cream with SPF and the antioxidant plus barrier care. Chef's kiss. Kaya please lang, Skin Ever, gumawa kayo ng mas malaking version nito kasi feeling ko mauubos ko agad yung stock ko. So don't forget sa 12/12, naka buy one take one to. Bahala ka if maubusan ka.